Hello students. Now we'll take one interesting example of discrete probability distribution. The example is quite interesting, and to solve this we need tricks. What kind of tricks we need and everything we will discuss in this example. The example goes like this. From a sealed box containing a dozen mangoes, it was found that 3 mangoes are perished. Obtain that the probability distribution of the number of perished mangoes when 2 mangoes are drawn at random. Also find its mean, variance and standard deviation of the distribution. Very first, try to understand the situation of the example. First, try to understand the example. Means what? There is a box, sealed box. In that sealed box, we are having a dozen mangoes. Means what? 12 mangoes we are having in a sealed box. Okay. Out of these 12 mangoes, 3 mangoes are perished. Perished means bad, not of good condition. Means not good to enjoy, to have. So 3 are perished. Okay. If 3 are perished means remaining 9 are good. Okay. Obtain the probability distribution of number of perished mangoes when 2 mangoes are drawn at random. Means what we are doing, from here we are picking 2 mangoes. First one, second one. What is the guarantee that the picked or drawn both the mangoes are good or perished, or one is good, one is perished? So that probability we need to calculate, because here he said we need to calculate its mean, variance and standard deviation. So for that, what to do? Concentrate on this. It is quite an interesting example. We take, let x be the number of perished mangoes. Perished mangoes means what? Henceforth, capital X represents perished mangoes, means bad mangoes. Okay. Since 2 mangoes were drawn, the task is to pick 2 mangoes. Okay, drawn. Then we have capital X is equal to, means what? Number of perished mango. Chances are what? Out of 2, I may not get a perished mango, that is 0. I may get 1 perished, 1 good, that is 1. I may get both perished, bad luck. Both perished means 2. Therefore, totally we need to pick 2 mangoes out of how many mangoes? 12 mangoes. 9 good and 3 perished, total 12 mangoes. How it can be written? It can be selected as 12C2. We all know we have a formula, NCR formula. As per that NCR formula, I'll take it here. NCR is nothing but n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. We have factorial concept. But my suggestion is, here if you go through the factorial concept, it takes a time. So better you go through calculator. In a calculator, what to do? 12C2 to be calculated. How do you calculate 12C2? First you type 12. Then shift. Because NCR is here. So it is of yellow color. So press. Then you press NCR button. Then it becomes C. Then we need 2. So press 2. Okay, so that is equal to 66. Its answer is 66. Means selection of 2 mango out of 12 mango is 66 ways are there to pick up. Okay, just imagine we are picking, there are total 12 mangoes and our job is to pick 2 mangoes. So there are total 66 ways to get a mango, 2 mango selection. Okay, next. How many good mangoes are there? 9 are good mangoes and 3 are perished mangoes. Okay, so what to do? Our job is to pick 2 mangoes so that I may get 0 perished, I may get 1 perished, I may get 2 perished out of 2 picked mangoes. So let us calculate its probability. So probability of x is equal to 0. Probability of x is equal to 0 means what? It is a probability of getting 0 perished mangoes. Lucky. 0 perished mango means what? 2 mangoes which I picked. I got both good mangoes, so I can enjoy happily. Okay, then it can be written as there are 3 perished mangoes. Out of 3 perished mangoes, I got 0 into there are 9 good mangoes. Out of those 9 good mangoes, I got 2 mangoes divided by there is a chance of selection of 2 mangoes from 12. This if you calculate, we will come to know its result. So let us see what it is. So again use calci. This denominator is already calculated. 12C2 is 66. I'll write down. Then 3 shift NCR 0, that is 1 into again 9 shift NCR 2, that is 36. So it is 36 divided by 66 or else it is nothing but 6 divided by 11. 6 divided by 11 or else even we can take 6 by 11 means how much it is? 6 divided by 11 is 0.545. I'll take 55. So 5.55 is the answer. Means what? 55% of the chances are there that I may get both good mangoes and 0 perished mangoes. Okay. Next, second one. Probability of x is equal to 1. Probability of x is equal to 1 means what? Probability of getting 1 perished mango. Means what? Out of 3, I am getting 1 perished. Into out of 9, I'll get 1 more because totally we need to get 2 mangoes. Previously I got 0 perished and 2 good. Now I got 1 perished and 1 good one. So out of 12 mangoes where 2 are picked. Again we know this result, that is 66. 3C1, let us calculate by using the calci. 3 shift NCR 1 is 3 into 9 shift NCR 1 is 9. Okay, so 9 3s are 27. So it is 27 by 66. So 27 divided by 66, which is nothing but 3 divided by 22, or else it is nothing but 3 divided by 22 means it is 0.17. Means there is a chance of 17% chance that I may get 1 good mango and 1 perished mango. Next, probability of x is equal to 2. Means what? Probability of getting 2 perished mangoes. Probability getting 2 perished mangoes. How it is possible? Out of 3 I'll get 2 perished, bad luck. Then out of 9 I'll not be getting anyone because already 2 I got. Then it is 12C2. This is already 66. Then let's calculate this. 3 NCR 2 is 3 into 9 NCR 0 is 1. So 3 by 66, that is nothing but 1 divided by 22. 1 by 22 means 1 divided by 22 means 0.045, means 4.5% of the chances are there where I may get both perished mangoes. Then we need to calculate its mean. Before calculating its mean, let us put it under a table. X is nothing but xi, and this p of x, I'll take it as pi. So 0 perished, 1 perished, 2 perished. The chances of getting 0 perished is 6 by 11, 1 perished is 3 by 22, and both perished is 1 divided by 22. Then we need to calculate its mean mu. What is the formula to calculate a mean? Summation of x into p of x is equal to, so 0 into 6 by 11 plus 1 into 3 by 22 plus 2 into 1 by 22. If we calculate this, we will be getting 11 by 22, that is nothing but half. So the chances of the mean of this overall calculation is 1 by 2, that is nothing but 0.5. So variance V is equal to, variance V is can be calculated by using a formula x minus mu whole square into p of x. So that is equal to x is 0 minus mu is 1 by 2 into p of x is 6 by 11 plus 1 minus half the square into 3 by 22 plus 2 minus half the square into 1 by 22. Therefore, this is equal to minus half square will be 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into this, if you calculate this overall, then it is half the square is 1 by 4 into this, then this is 1.5 the square, and this, then it becomes 15 divided by 44. Then what will be its standard deviation? Square root of V is root 15 by 44. That becomes root 15 divided by 44. That becomes 0.584. So this is the answer. Thank you.